Hello students, this is a lecture of class 10 subject maths exercise 14.3. Today we will start our next exercise 14.3 and the concept of this exercise, that is median. Means in this exercise we have to find out the median. First, the meaning of median. Median means the middle value of given observations. Means जो observations जो data आपको दे रखा है उसकी जो मिडिल वैल्यू है वो हमारी मीडियन कहलाती है. मतलब 9th क्लास में आपने मीडियन को स्टडी किया हुआ. एक सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी हमारे पास जिसके अंदर हम डेटा की मिडल मोस्ट ऑब्जर्वेशंस को कैलकुलेट करते थे. और अगर हमें डाटा अनग्रुप डेटा दिया हुआ है तो हम वहाँ पर पहले उसको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में उसको राइट करते हैं. क्लियर. नाउ अब सपोज इफ़ n is odd, means if observation is suppose that is odd, then median is the n plus 1 by 2 at the observations, and if n is even then the median will be the average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 at observations. Means अगर n हमारे पास odd है तो observations जो हमारे पास आई हुई हैं उसको हमें n plus 1 by 2 करना है. जो रिज़ल्ट हमारा आएगा वो हमारी मीडियन को शो करेगा. अगर n हमारे पास इवन दे रखा है, क्लियर, तब हम n बाई 2 और n बाई 2 प्लस 1th का एवरेज निकालेंगे. तो जो रिज़ल्ट हमारे पास आएगा वो हमारे मीडियन को शो करेगा. नाउ लेट अस द एग्जांपल. सपोज वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द मीडियन ऑफ द फ्लोइंग डेटा विच गिव्स मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 50 ऑब्टेन्ड बाय 100 स्टूडेंट्स इन अ टेस्ट. मीन्स एक टेस्ट जिसमें 100 स्टूडेंट्स से 50 मार्क्स का वो टेस्ट था और कुछ मार्क्स उन स्टूडेंट्स के द्वारा लिए गए थे. वो इस टेबल में हमें दिए गए हैं. लाइक दिस इज़ द टेबल, दिस इज़ द मार्क्स ऑब्टेन एंड दिस इज़ द नंबर ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. मीन्स लाइक मार्क्स ऑब्टेन 20, नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स 6. मीन्स 6 स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं जिनके मार्क्स 20 हैं, 28 स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं जिनके मार्क्स 29 हैं, 24 स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं जिनके मार्क्स 28 हैं एंड सो ऑन. क्लियर. नाउ first we have to arrange the marks in ascending order and prepare a frequency table. Like we arrange the marks in ascending order, like first 20, 25, 28 and last is the 43, and number of the students which show the frequency, that is the 6. Next is the like 20, 24, 28, that is 15, 4, 2 and 1. Clear. And so on. Clear. Now here n is 100, means there are 100 students, so n is even, so the median will be the average of n by 2 n by 2 plus 1th observations. Means n by 2, it means that is 100 by 2, that is 50, and 100 by 2 plus 1th observations, that is 50. It means it will become 51. It means 50 एंड 50th जो हमारे पास ऑब्जर्वेशन है हम उसका एक तरह से मीन लेंगे और हम वहाँ से मीडियन को फाइंड आउट करेंगे. क्लियर. नाउ फॉर दिस फर्स्ट वी हैव टू मेक द दिस टेबल. इट्स मीन्स इन विच वी हैव टू मेक द क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. हाउ विल यू क्रिएट द क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी? लाइक दिस फॉर देयर इज़ नो नीड टू मेक द टेबल डायरेक्ट. You have to make this table only. Clear. Now for cumulative frequency, first number of 6 write as it is. Now the next cumulative frequency you have to write by using this 6 add this 20, it will become 26. Now next add 26 in 24, it will become 50. Next is 50 plus 28, that is 78. Now 78 plus 15, 93. 93 plus 4, 97. 97 plus 2, 99. 99 plus 1, that is 100. And there is a number of students is 100, like in the ending you will get the result 100, like. Clear. Now in short form we can say that cumulative frequency name is like CF only. Clear. Now next is, now look at the 50th observation and the 51th observations in the previous table, like there is. So 50th observation and 50th observations you have to find out in cumulative frequency. This is 50. Exact value we have given in the cumulative frequency 50, so the marks is 28, which is like in the front of the cumulative frequency. Now 51, in the cumulative frequency there is no number of the 51 like, so we have to take 51 in number lie greater than 51 like, that is 78. क्लियर, मीन जो 51 था वो हमारे इस क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रिक्वेंसी में नहीं दिया हुआ है, तो वो किस नंबर में लाई कर सकता है, वो हमारा इस 51 में लाई करेगा। सो हमने यहाँ पर क्या लिया, 78 को हमने चूज़ किया। जो हमारे पास 50 तो ऑब्जर्वेशन थी उसमें क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रिक्वेंसी में 50 दिया हुआ है, इसलिए हमने डायरेक्ट बोल लिया, लेकिन 51 था नहीं, सो हमने उसको 78 में काउंट किया है। सो इन द केस ऑफ 78 marks obtained, that is 29. So we have now two numbers like 28 and 29. Now take the mean, 28 plus 29 divided by 2. When you will solve, you will get the result like 57 by 2. You will get the result 26.5. Like this. 28.5. Clear? 57 by 2, so it will become 28.5. Now look at the tables. Column first and column third of table 14.11 in cumulative frequency table, that is median is 28.5, which shows that 50% students marks obtain less than 28.5 and 50% students obtain marks more than 28.5. That's the meaning of the median. Clear? Now that is makes, let us now obtain the median of group data now given. Group means like suppose 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and so on. Now look at the 0 to 10 marks obtained 5 number of students hai, that is 10 to 20 there is 3 students, 20 to 30 4 students, 30 to 43, and in the last 90 to 108 and one more. And here is, you have to remember one point, this upper limit is not involved in respective class interval like. Clear? Now now you have to make the cumulative frequency like. Clear? Like less than 10, how many students? There is 5. Less than 20, add the next is like 8. Look at the, that is 5 in first case is. When less than 20, 5 plus 3 8. Less than 30, add this 4. Less than 40, add this 4, and you will get the this type of the tables. Clear? Now in the ending there is the 53 number of the students. So this distributions given above, this is the cumulative frequency distribution of less than type. Like look at, this is the less than type. So 10, 20, 30 and to 100 are the upper limits of the respective class interval. Clear? Similarly, you can find more than type, like in the case of the, this is the more than type, like more than or equal to 0, more than equal to 10. First is the like 53, in the ending there is the 53 like this form, like here is the like 50. Clear? More than or equal to 0, number of the students like 53. Now for more than or equal to 10 marks, subtract 5, because less than in interval 0 to 10 we have given the 5, so subtract 5 from 53, that is it will become 48. Clear? And so on, you will get the result of more than type frequency distributions table. Here 0, 10, 20 and like 90, these are the lower limit of the respective class intervals. Now there is the table 14.15, like this is marks obtained and this is the number of the students and this is the cumulative frequency again, like first 5. Now add 5 in 3 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 4 22 and so on. Clear? Now in the group data we may not able to find the middle observations by looking at the cumulative frequency, as the middle observations will some value in, that is इन क्लास इंटरवल. अब यहाँ पर हम डायरेक्ट उस वैल्यूज़ को फाइंड आउट नहीं कर सकते हैं ग्रुप डाटा के अंदर. अनग्रुप डाटा के अंदर हमने इसको डायरेक्ट टेबल से हमने फाइंड आउट कर लिया था, लेकिन ग्रुप डेटा में हमें एक फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे. ग्रुप डेटा में दिस इज़ द फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड आउट द मीडियन. देयर वे that is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F multiplying H. Now first You have to know about all these observations. Like first n by 2. N by 2 means n is the 53. So 53 by 2, it will become 26.5. Now look at where 26.5 lies in this cumulative frequency, that is 26.5. Here is lies 26.5 in 29, because 22 is the less than 26.5, so near about that is 29. So 29, the interval will become 60 to 70. Clear? Now this is our median classes, that is median class, that is 60 to 70. Now L is the lower limit of the median class, so L is like 60, n by 2 it is, that is 26.5, and CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. This is our median class. So preceding means इससे पहले की, that is 22, not the 18. 22 is CF. Clear? And F is the frequency of the median class and H is the class size. F is the frequency of median class, that is median class. This is our median class. So F is 7 and the H is 0 to 10 and 10 to 20, like the gap in this case, that is the 10. So H is like 10. Now put all these values in this formula, you will get the result, that is 66.4. It means 50% students have scored marks less than 66.4 and the 50% students marks score or marks more than 66.4. Clear? This is the median. So on this basis you have to solve the sums first, that is first, second and third. Clear? Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.